PPT Metatarsal Pads, product number 868 from myfootshop.com. PPT Metatarsal Pads are durable, adhesive back pads made of semi-firm PPT. PPT is a latex-free foam that's a standard for diabetic orthotics and custom shoe inserts. PPT metatarsal pads can be applied directly on the foot, they can be applied to the top of the inner sole of the shoe, or they can be applied to the bottom of the inner sole of the shoe. To describe proper placement, we use the terms proximal and distal. When we talk about placing a metatarsal pad, proximal means closer to the arch, while distal means closer to the toes. When applying the PPT metatarsal pad directly to the foot, be sure to place the pad immediately proximal to the weight-bearing surface of the forefoot. If there's no removable inner sole in the shoe, then you'll need to apply the PPT metatarsal pad on the top of the inner sole. Use a marking pen to place a small line at the proximal margin of the wear pattern created by the ball of the foot. This line represents the distal margin for placement of the PPT metatarsal pad. If the inner sole is removable, my favorite method is to place the PPT metatarsal pad on the bottom of the inner sole. Remove the inner sole and identify the wear pattern created by the ball of the foot and cover it with your index finger. Place your thumb on the opposite side of the inner sole. Use a marking pen to mark the proximal margin of the weight-bearing surface of the inner sole just proximal to your thumb. The PPT metatarsal pad should be placed just proximal to your mark. Now when you bear weight on the inner sole, load will be carried by the PPT metatarsal pad and not by the ball of the foot. PPT metatarsal pads are indicated in the treatment of forefoot problems, including forefoot pain, capsulitis, bursitis, metatarsalgia, and Morton's Neuroma. The pads can be used to modify street shoes, running shoes, arch supports, and orthotics. PPT metatarsal pads are not right-left specific and can be used in either shoe. Be sure to check out our entire family of metatarsal pads for additional sizes, materials, and densities. And most importantly, contact us if you have any questions about the right metatarsal pad for your needs. PPT Metatarsal Pads, product number 868 from myfootshop.com.